Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You will begin by booting from Recovery Media, press F12, ESC, or use UEFI boot options. Once done, choose Repair Your Computer, not Install. This preserves files. You'll see Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. Select Command Prompt or Startup Repair depending on the error. Make sure to note disk letters in Command Prompt because letters can shift. This first step gets you into tools that can rebuild boot records or restore a system image when standard startup fails. You'll now repair the boot environment and corrupted files. First, run bootrec commands in sequence to fix master boot records and rebuild the BCD. This targets boot failures. Next, run chkdsk on the Windows volume to surface and repair disk errors. It can take time. If system files are corrupted, use SFC with offline options pointing to the correct Windows folder. Make sure to reboot between major steps to verify progress and avoid running overlapping. You can finish by restoring a system image or using System Restore to revert to a known good state. Choose the latest stable point. If that fails, use Reset This PC and select Keep My Files to preserve data or perform a clean install as a last resort. If problems continue, check hardware. Run smart tests, reset or swap the drive, and test RAM because persistent errors often indicate failing components. One tip: always verify backups before a clean install.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.